How to turn on eye protection in Windows 10. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Ever felt the problem of watery eyes when you work on your laptop screen for long hours? That's because your eyes get strained due to the blue light when you keep looking at a computer screen. To tackle this problem, a software feature called the blue light filter exists on Windows 10. This feature adjusts the color temperature of a screen to decrease the amount of blue light coming from it. In order to turn on eye protection in Windows 10, click on this option of System. Now navigate to the option of Display. Under that you will find the option of Night Light. You have to enable for this option. After you toggle on for this option, click on Night Light Settings. Now from here you can easily increase the level for this option. Also you can schedule the night light option. After you customize these settings, you will be good to go. So this way you can easily turn on eye protection in Windows 10. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.